Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit list items in Mathematica. So the first thing, open Mathematica and create a new notebook. Now that your notebook is created, next thing I want you to do is create a list. Okay, so I'm going to write a list, and inside which I'm going to add some numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, okay, and 15. Then shift enter and we have our list ready. Now if I want to get the third value in my list, then I'm going to use a list, and then I'm going to use this double square brackets and third position, then closing square brackets, then shift enter, and I get 5 as third position's value, which is correct. Now what if I want to get multiple positional values? In such case, I'm going to type in a list, then double square bracket, and then one curly bracket. Let's say I want to take second position and fourth position, then closing brackets, and then shift enter, and I get value 3 for second position and 7 for fourth, which is again accurate. Now what if I want to get all the values from 2 to, let's say, 7, or let's say 2 to 4? In that case, I'm going to write a list, then 2 square brackets, then inside 2, then this semicolon up to 4, closing square brackets, and then shift enter, and I get 3, 5, 7 as those values within range. Now we have seen how to create a list, how to look for specific value, how to look for multiple specific value, and how to get value from a specific range. Now comes the part where you can see your a list, and here I want to replace a specific item. So let's say I have 7 as value replaced with, let's say, 11. So I'm going to use 7, okay, which is on fourth position, equals to 11. And if I use shift enter, then output says 11, and let's say then we use list, and if we check that, we can see that 7 is now replaced with 11. Okay, similarly you can use replace, okay, replace part a list, and here within curly bracket I want to replace first part. I'm going to use dash and greater than sign to be replaced with, let's say, 10, and second part in my list to be replaced by 20, then closing curly bracket, then closing square bracket, then shift enter, and you see 10, 20 are now replaced. Okay, so 1 and 3 are now 10 and 20. So what we have seen so far is how to create a list, how to look for specific element within your list, then how to check multiple elements, then how to check within multiple range for that items or elements, and third, we also check how to replace a specific value, and then we also check how to do the same operation with replace part. So these are some of the item editing options within Mathematica for editing your list.